I got my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Hey, oh shit. Yeah. Oh shit. Hey. Damn. Y'all look there. Y'all look. God damn. What's she showing? Yeah.
You see what I've been doing.
Yeah. You been on it?
Every year.
Every year. Already. Yeah.
How would you do it, me?
All right, bet I'm coming too.
All right.
Yeah, hell yeah. She ain't doing nothing. She ain't doing nothing. She ain't doing nothing. Alright, y'all. We go to the end part of it. Leaving. I done had to walk a long way. The general parking like 3 miles away from where everything jumping at. You gotta bring a ATV, or unless you want to get your exercise on, which I don't mind. I'm almost there. I probably got another mile on a little bit. Yeah. Oh shit! I should have jumped on the back of that trailer. Right with his ass. Ooh, if I could get on this bitch. Coming. Ah, fuck, he going too fast. He can't catch me, y'all. Fuck.